Hey guys, how's it going? And welcome back to 21 Days to Good Hair. We are almost halfway because today is day 9 and I have received a lot of questions where people want me to do something about the split ends. Okay, now if you have split ends, unfortunately you have split ends. There is nothing that you can do about it. Yes, you can cut it off, chop your hair, but I'm sure a lot of you don't want to do that and compromise on the length of your hair, and people like me who don't cut their hair don't have their option available. So like they say, prevention is better than cure. At least today's recipe will help us prevent more split ends, but you need to first understand why do we get split ends in the first place. The main reason is the lack of moisture, and that can be because of various reasons. Number one being the kind of heat we use on our hair, the blow dryers, the curlers, the straighteners. It's cold, we wash our hair with hot water, we brush our hair very rigorously, genetics. So these are various reasons that we can keep in mind so that we don't get more split ends. So guys, today's ingredient is egg. Egg is full of protein and lutein, and both these things help us curb the breakage. It gives our hair the strength, the elasticity to control the split end problem, and also moisture our hair enough to give it a nice texture. Now people with oily scalp can use the egg yolk, and people with dry scalp can use the egg white. People with normal or combination scalp and hair can mix both and use it together. Today we will be mixing both because I have a combination hair, and we'll be mixing it with oil and applying it on our head, so hoping for great results. Let's go. We have our star ingredient here. I'll be taking 2 eggs. It's basically according to your hair length that you need to take your eggs. I need 2. I'll be adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil to this egg and mix it together in a bowl. Hey guys, so this is done and I'm ready to go out. I'll be very honest, I was not sure about egg. Egg is something that I always try to skip because I didn't know if the smell would be too strong or will it be too good as an ingredient. But I'll be honest, it is a great ingredient. It has made my hair it's like natural blow dry. My hair is straight, super silky, soft, manageable, frizz free. So much so I had 2 people in my family asking me that did you do something with your hair today. So trust me, if you have frizzy hairs, if you're suffering from a lot of split ends and anything related to dryness, this is a great ingredient. Trust me, there was no smell after the shampoo, so don't be hesitant and just do it whenever you have to go out for a party. Just keep it for an hour and wash your hair, and you will find amazing change in your hair, and party ready you will be. So this was day 9. I hope all of you who requested for us an ingredient who can work on a split end, do try this, and I would love to know how it worked on your hair. Alright guys, this was day 9. I will see you guys very soon with day 10. Bye guys. Don't forget to share this IGTV video with your friends and family. To see more such videos, do follow me on Instagram and turn on the story and post notification.